Yeah, hey you guys, what is up? What is up? Anyways, welcome back to a new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Anyways, guys, so girl, look like a raggedy ass doll. I look like a hot mess. Okay, I whew, I washed my hair this morning, and as you guys can see, I was cleaning up as well. I washed my hair first because I know after I was going to be done with cleaning, I was not going to be into washing no damn hair and doing all the moles and just no, okay. Anyways, I try to get up early this morning to clean up before the sun really came up because girl, it be hot. It be hot. Y'all, I was sweating so freaking much. My shirt is soaked. I just want to go in the shower right now and wash everything away. I couldn't wait to finish so I could go in the shower. Ooh, and I have to twist up my hair when I come out of the shower. Anywho, you guys, so I'm just introducing the vlog looking like a mess, and that's okay. Yeah, I will see you guys later. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Good shower, y'all. I feel so tired. I don't know why. I just feel drained and tired. I'm almost finished. This is going to be new to me, okay? Like wearing my natural hair. Oh, I'm tired of weave, y'all. I'm tired of weave and shit. Like, just being my natural. I just ready to be my natural self, okay? Look at me. Good job. It's gonna take some time to get used to this. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, I don't feel like I look my best. But anyways, we're almost done. I wanna go sleep.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone,
I just finished from working out. As you guys can see, I finished my hair. And girl, listen, I had to run home real quick to get me some hair. You guys, I try, okay? I have to wait till my hair grow a little bit more longer, okay? I can't rock my hair like this. I thought like I could have gone out in public, and I don't have that confidence, okay? I don't have that confidence. No. Maybe if my hair was long, like my first set of locks, my relaxed locks. Now that's a comfortable length, and I was short. But this, I can't. And my hair don't have to be no butt length, no neck length for me to wear it. Oh, okay, it don't have to be that long. But my face is very big. I need something. Okay, I need something more. So yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna jump in the shower. Like my neck is burning so much and itching and hurting. My neck broke out so bad yesterday because of the heat, and it's not itchy and hurting. Y'all know how them heat rash be coming. I don't know if y'all have them, but yeah, I have them. Good job. Anyways, guys, so we had to run by Lowe's real quick. Oh Lord, y'all gotta put on my little wig. So you won't believe what happened, okay? Look at Bree. Bree stinky. Yo, from the last time I went to Lowe's to get those pull-ups, y'all won't believe what happened, girl. We ran all the diapers. Okay? Yeah, we ran all the pull-ups. Let me tell you how we ran on the pull-ups. I missed a Versa pull-ups bag, right? And I just throw it inside this little humper thing. And I just was picking out every day, putting on a Pampers. And didn't realize she ran out of Pampers today. We put a last one on her and she pooped. And I went inside the humper thing to go and grab pull-ups, and Ina was there. I was like, oh my god! I'm dramatic. Yeah. This never happened to me before. But we had her run to the store and get diapers. Usually I'm the one to be like, things are running low, Rihanna needs this or that. And I totally forgot that we bought those little that little pack of Pampers. I mean pull-ups. So yeah.
all of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
Bring some wipes inside the car. Oh, sorry. I bring some wipes inside the car to change Brianna. Because, you know, you don't want to leave no the shit on the baby too long because, yeah, that's rash. I think I'm going to change it, but we almost home. So, I'm going to wait. Yeah, I'm going to wait. We right home. Lowe's isn't so far from where we live. Yeah. We got the 40. I should have got the damn 30. These look freaking huge. See why I should do it? Yeah.
What them saying was what, 2
Yeah, there was 2. Yeah, I should have got the 3. But I will. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to warm up my dinner. Okay. Got some broccoli. Some chicken breast. Y'all, next week I'm eating fucking salmon. Okay, I'm tired. I'm tired of the chicken. Salmon. She live in the States. Okay, so this is dinner. It looks like a little bit because of the eggs. Yeah. Hi. Why you put them dirty shoes on the bed? No. Okay.
Every time you come back, it's like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside.